Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to disable ads and recommendations in Windows 11, so your system feels cleaner and less distracting. We will turn off the built-in recommendation and suggestion features in the latest Windows 11 version. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Personalization. Click Start. Turn off Show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. Now go back and click Taskbar. Click Taskbar Behaviors. Uncheck Show flashing on taskbar apps if enabled. Click System. Click Notifications. Scroll down and click Additional Settings. Uncheck Get tips and suggestions when using Windows. Now go back and click Privacy and Security. Click General under Windows Permissions. Turn off Let Apps Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID. Turn off Show Me Suggested Content in the Settings app. Restart your computer to fully apply the changes. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.